Welcome to 5921 Jewel Lane. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is located in the La Mesa area of San Diego. Upon entering the home, you see this beautiful open floor plan. Immediately to the left, you have your dining space. And this beautiful kitchen, complete with stainless steel appliances, marble countertops, and a lot of cabinet space. Refrigerator for this home is negotiable. Right off of your kitchen, you have a 2-car garage, which comes complete with storage all the way around and a washer and dryer. If you head back into the home, you can see that your kitchen looks into your living room, making it perfect for entertaining. There is laminate wood flooring throughout the home, and your living room has a wood burning fireplace. Right off of the living room, you have your backyard, storage in the back corner, trees for shade, and a patio for entertaining. Now we'll head down the hall. To your right here, we have your first bedroom, large enough to fit a queen-size bed, wall-length closet, and every room does come complete with a ceiling fan. Now we'll head across the hall into the guest bathroom, where you see your beautiful vanity there and your tub and shower, all newly installed. In the hallway, you have more cabinet space for your linens. We'll head down the hall to the right again, where we'll find the second guest bedroom. This room is a little bit larger and big enough to fit a king-size bed. The closet in this room comes with some built-in shelving. Again, easy for storage. And lastly, we will head into the master suite. This room can fit a king-size bed fairly comfortably. Your closet. And lastly, your master bathroom. And stand-up shower.